Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code, and after that I'll show you how to do it using the settings. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll down to the top of the list to find My Phone. Here, let's scroll down and check phone information, so tap on phone information, and as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Of course, right now they are hidden. All you have to do is to tap on them to show the exact number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.